Arthur, you got some edamame too. Look how efficient Misha is with my edamame. Bye-bye, Arthur. Yeah, that one had too much salt on it, didn't it? I gave you some without salt, and you didn't want to eat it. Bye-bye, Arthur. You can go if you want to, Arthur. I'm staying here. Night-night. Night-night, Arthur. Okay, here. I'll put this right here. I need to clean off my table, don't I? This is where I put all of my shells. Those are empty. Yeah, there's no... Here. This is where the empty ones are. I'll put the empty ones from here and here. These are the empties. This is where the yummies are, Misha, over here. Yummy. This one has a pod in it. This one has a bean in it. Do you understand? I'm gonna have one with a bean. Empties. I put it in there because it's empty. All of those are empty. These over here, Misha, have the beans in them. I'm putting those right there without beans. See, it's all gone. Look, this has beans in it. Oops. I dropped, okay.